In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. This is one of the fastest ways to combine and clean up overlapping shapes, and it's perfect for building icons, logos, and simple illustrations without getting lost in complex path operations. Start by selecting the shapes you want to work with using the Selection tool. You can press V on your keyboard to switch to it immediately. Click to select a single object or drag a marquee around multiple objects to grab them at once. If you prefer, hold Shift while clicking to add or remove items from your selection. The key here is to make sure every shape you want to merge or edit is selected before moving on. Only selected shapes will respond to the Shape Builder tool. With your shape selected, press Shift plus M to activate the Shape Builder tool. You'll notice the cursor changes, and as you hover over the overlapping artwork, Illustrator highlights the regions where shapes intersect. These highlighted sections are called regions, and they represent the areas you can combine or remove. To merge shapes, simply click on a region or click and drag through multiple adjacent regions you want to fuse together. As you drag, you'll see a visual path following your cursor. When you release, Illustrator converts those regions into a single clean shape. This is especially useful when you've intentionally overlapped circles, rectangles, or polygons and want to sculpt one unified form from them. If you don't see the regions you expected, double check that your shapes truly overlap and that all relevant objects are selected. To remove parts, hold Alt on Windows or Option on macOS while the Shape Builder tool is active, then click the region you want to subtract. You can also drag with Alt or Option held down to erase multiple regions in one motion. This is great for punching out holes, trimming edges, or cleaning up tiny slivers that appear where shapes intersect. If you delete the wrong piece, press Command or Control plus Z to undo and try again. Zooming in for precision and panning with the spacebar can make fine work much easier. When you're done merging and removing, you'll be left with crisp, simplified vector shapes that are easy to color, align, and scale. Keep experimenting with different overlaps and consider working on a duplicate of your artwork if you want a safety net while exploring. The Shape Builder tool makes thoughtful geometry feel intuitive, and with a little practice, it will